Hey, this is Tony with DecoNetwork, and in this video I will show you how to create a personalization option for a decorated product. So from your website settings, we'll go into Decorated Products, and we'll create a decorated product. Choose the product that you wish to decorate. So I want to add a name personalization to this t-shirt. So I'm going to select this chest area here, and I'm going to add embroidery text, and I'll add my name here. Okay, so I'm just going to make it a little bit larger, and I'll change the color. Okay, and we want to click Advanced here, and we're going to allow personalization. And I'm going to edit this caption. This caption will display what this option is for your customers on the website. So I'm going to put your name here, and the max characters I'll put, we'll say 30. Okay, and then I'll click Save and Continue. Okay, and we'll call this the personalization t-shirt. Now, if you do not wish to have your customers customize the product, we'll switch this to don't allow users to customize. So personalization will allow them to change this text that you create here. Customization will allow your users to add designs, change the size of this font. But if you don't wish to do this, you can just turn this off, and they'll only have the option to change the color or the text in here. And we'll have a look at that on the website in just a moment when we save this. Okay, so it's going to save my product here. Okay, so I'm going to save it, and now it's created. So let's see what this looks like on the website here. Okay, so I have my personalization t-shirt. So now it's giving me the option to change the name here. So you'll see there's no option to customize, but I can change the color and the name here. So we can just go in here and I can change this, change it to anything we'd like here. I'll apply it. So there we go. So this is how you create personalization options for your decorated products. So I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep in touch with new videos that we have. Thanks, and take care.